to build it out.
What?
Have to build it out the ghost.
Have to go check out the ghost?
Yeah.
I thought you were scared.
Yeah.
And why you want to go check it out?
Because it's scary.
It's scary?
Mm-hmm.
Do you hear that noise?
Yeah.
What is that noise?
It's like
Huh?
it's like raining.
Is it raining?
Yeah.
Is it raining a lot?
Mm-hmm.
Are you scared when it rains?
Mm-hmm. Papa, you see that ghost?
No.
What? Why?
We go away.
Huh?
We go away. It went away.
Huh?
It went away.
Windy? Oh. Why? Go windy.
So there's no more ghosts?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
You're still scared?
Yeah.
But Papa said the ghosts went away.
Yeah. Can go a lot.
You see a lot of ghosts?
Yeah.
In the house or outside?
Outside. Mommy.
What, honey?
Take you.
You're scared?
You can have to practice it.
You have to what?
They have to practice it.
You have to what?
They have to practice it all.
What?
They have to practice it.
You have to what? What are you doing? Ugly. Look. What was she doing? No, not that one.
And I'm not this.
You gonna wear that one to sleep?
Yeah.